Hey y'all, it's Adria, CEO and founder of Ecoslay, and today we're talking about something that's dear to my heart, something that's not just trendy, but is crucial: ingredient integrity. And I thought it only fitting to shoot this video outside in my personal garden because this is kind of where it all started. Plant-based beauty, grown with intention, that's what Ecoslay is really all about. So let me start off by asking you guys a question. Have you ever flipped over your product, looked at the label and thought, what even is this? That confusion, that frustration is really what sparked this entire Ecoslay journey. I started Ecoslay because I couldn't find products that worked for my curls, and when I would stumble upon something that kind of worked, the ingredients were terrible. It was full of synthetic junk that I didn't feel good about. I'm a gardener. My mom's a gardener. My grandfather was a gardener. So I had this ingrained passion for sustainability and good for you ingredients. And those products were not giving it to me, and they didn't work anyways. So I started experimenting in my own kitchen, mixing up plant-based ingredients that felt good to use, and they actually worked. I started off by using flaxseed, marshmallow root, aloe vera. I still use a lot of those ingredients today. And these were ingredients that I could source or even grow myself. And what was crazy is that one day a YouTuber reviewed our orange marmalade gel, and boom, we went viral. But that turned out to be a crossroads for us. So the celebration was kind of short-lived because I had to go back to work. I had a real job at the time. So I reached out to a couple of factories to get their information on how to help us scale. And it was crazy because almost immediately they wanted to change everything. They wanted to optimize our formulas by injecting synthetic stabilizers, crazy preservatives, things that I was avoiding at the very beginning, which kind of led me there. And then on top of it, they wanted to charge me a fortune for this product that I did not even want. Obviously told them no, and that moment became a defining one for Ecoslay, really. So when I say that we're committed to ingredient integrity, it's not a slogan, it's really personal. It's really who we are, it's how we got started and how we continue to live each and every day. Now, I wanted to shine a light on the bigger picture here for a second. What you guys may not know is how little the cosmetic industry in the United States is regulated. The FDA doesn't require brands to really do anything when it comes to choosing the ingredients that they put inside their products and their labeling. You can have a product with allergens, hormonal disruptors, carcinogens, and they can still be sold legally. There's no regulation that the FDA has regarding these things. And actually, the last time that the federal cosmetic laws were updated was 1938. And that is wild to me because if you think about all the things that have changed in our world since 1938, almost 100 years, but our cosmetic regulations have stayed the exact same. That's in part of why we became a B Corp. Being a B Corp means that we are completely audited from how we treat our team, to our environmental footprint, to how clean our ingredients are. The whole thing is regulated. So we're not playing this greenwashing game. We're actually proving it. And part of that proof is in our Farm to Pouch initiative. So what that's all about is how we grow our ingredients, which means right here in Georgia. So we are super locally sourced. We partner with local farms like Chattahoochee Hills Charter School, where the students actually help us grow flax, burdock, and marshmallow root. And we teach them about the importance of using these great ingredients, how to grow these fantastic ingredients, how to grow ingredients that are good for their body, good for their families, how to appreciate the entrepreneurial journey. So it's like this crazy symbiotic relationship that we've really grown to cherish, and they help us ensure that the best quality ingredients are inside of our products. And we just don't make our own formulas, we actually make every product ourselves. So each and every pouch is mixed, poured, and packed in-house by our amazing team. There's no outsourcing to any mysterious, unregulated factory. We stay close to this process so we can stay close to our promise to you and to ourselves. shelves. So if you guys remember those manufacturers who gave us a hard time at the beginning about our formulas, they are actually what inspired our EcoBeta program. What our EcoBeta program is all about is it's a program where we help brands who were just like us back then who want to launch clean beauty products. They are a small business, they don't have a ton of time, they don't have a ton of money, and they don't want to compromise their values. So we walk them through the formulation, the manufacturing, the packaging, the logistic process. We hold their hands all the way through it, super low cost, so that they can stay true to who they really are and not compromise their values at the end of the day. So if you are a founder who is watching this, know that you don't have to choose between your growth and your gut. It is possible. We are proof that you can have both, and that is what we are here for. In a nutshell, if you are new here, welcome. We want you guys to understand that ingredient integrity is everything. It's how we grow, it's how we started, it's how we scale, and it's what makes us different. And if you've been rocking with Ecoslay for a while, then you already know this. And we are so glad to have you guys as part of our family. You are the wind beneath our wings. You are the wind in our sails. You guys propel us forward. You guys challenge us to do better and to be better. And because of you, I genuinely feel that we are better. So I'm so glad to have all of you guys here. So drop a comment below. I want to hear what sustainable, clean beauty means to you, what's really important to you in your formulas, in your product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, tap the notification bell so you never miss another video. And we're so glad to have you guys here. So until next time, slay fabulous, and we'll see you later.